Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, to grow, and view the world anew. Let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you're seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to knowledge to aid your self discovery and personal growth. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom, you and I, together. Today's topic: embracing resistance, voices of everyday courage. Resistance is one of those words that is often looked at in a negative way. But today, I'm going to talk to you about something that is real and present in all of our lives, but is often overlooked. Yes, we're talking about resistance. Life is like a river, and it is easy to float along with the current. But have you ever stopped to wonder if we're truly living our best lives? Or are we just cruising in the comfort lane? Yes, are we just sticking to what is comfortable? Here is where resistance comes in. It is that gentle push that tells us there might be another way, a better way. It is not about being difficult or rebellious for no reason at all. It is about caring enough to aim for something more for ourselves and for those around us. So the question then is, why do we resist? It is not about ego. We resist because it is about love, love for who we are, love for our families and our communities. It is about not settling for just okay when amazing is within our reach. It is standing firm in tough times and shining a light for others to follow. Resistance isn't just being against something, it is about standing for something: our dreams, fairness, and a truly fulfilling life. Every time we speak out or make even a small change, we are shaping a better future, a world where we do more than just get by, a world where we flourish. So, what is it that sparks that flame of resistance in you? Now I am talking to you. What drives you to make a stand? Let us all view resistance as our guide, leading us to do the right thing, even when it is hard, even when it's difficult. To wrap this up, understand that resistance is our story. It is our struggle for a brighter tomorrow. It is a flame that once lit. To wrap this up, let us understand that resistance is our story. It is our struggle for a brighter tomorrow. It is a flame, once lit, never dies in us. Let us keep this fire burning as we return to our daily lives tomorrow and the next day and the next day. Let us use it to light our paths. Yes, let us use resistance to light our paths and those of others. If we all embrace these small acts of resistance together, they can grow into a powerful force, a song of hope for the future. I want to thank you for lending me your ears today. Until next time, blessings always.